In this tutorial, we will use the component views to create material design card variants. Select the three cards, right-click, and choose the Create Component option. Double-click to enter the component canvas and click the Add Component Views button in the Style pane. We name the basic view Outline. Then click the Add button to add a new view and name it Elevated. Then click the Add button to add a new view and name it Filled. Click the OK button to save the settings. Then select the Back to Cards, right-click, and choose Unplace from View. These two cards disappear, leaving only the Outline card. Click on the Elevated tab, right-click the elevated card, and select Unplace from View. Then we can find the elevated card in the Outline pane, right-click it, and select Place in View. Elevated card appears. Move it to the top left of the canvas. Click the Fill tab, right-click the elevated card, select Unplace from View, and the card disappears. Then find the filled card in the Outline pane, right-click it, select Place in View, and the filled card appears. Move it to the top left of the canvas. Return to the page where the card component is located. In the Component View drop list in the Interactions pane, you can switch the view.